I'm going to show you about the skeletal muscle fibers. Fibers are long and individual cylindrical units that called sarcomeres. It is 1 to 2 micrometers in diameter. The type of muscle fibers are divided into 3 types, which is type 1, slow oxidative, type 2A, fast oxidative glycolytic, and type 2B, fast glycolytic. The color of these fibers are different because the content of myoglobin. The content of myoglobin in type 1 is higher, and type 2A is low, and type 2B is lower. So the type 1 is being called as dark meat because of the red dark meat because of the dark color of red, and type 2A being called as red, and type 2B being called as white. So there are few differences between all of these 3 types of fibers. The first difference is in the content of mitochondria. The myoglobin stores the oxygen needed by the mitochondria. For the type 1, as the myoglobin is high, the mitochondria content is also high. And for the type 2A, it also high but also intermediate. For type 2B, it is low. Second is the amount of blood capillaries. In type 1, the blood capillaries is high, and for type 2A, it is intermediate, and for type 2B, it is low. And type 2A, also known as slow oxidative, which means it has a very slow contractions. The slow contractions of the muscle generate low splitting of ATP, while for type 2A, it results in higher ATP splitting, and for type 2B, also in higher ATP splitting. Type 1 muscle fibers is low, while for 2A it is high, and type 2B also high. This is because the type 1 needs less energy, while for type 2A and 2B it needs more energy. The type 1 muscle fibers is usually found in power athletes like sprinters because they possess high percentage of fast fibers. For intermediate, which is type 2A, it is being found in endurance athletes like distance runners because they have high percentage of slow fibers. And last but not least, the type 2B contains 50% slow and 50% fast fibers, and usually found in weightlifters and non-athletes. Type 1 muscle fibers can be found in neck muscle. Type 2A fibers can be found in leg muscle, and type 2B muscle can be found in arm muscles.